Mornings with Sky at Kaiser. So he fell down the stairs a couple weeks ago, and now we're gonna do a checkup to see if his little minor fracture in his head is healing properly. Hopefully he'll be good to go. Hi honey. Hi sweetheart. Hi. Oh, they do not like the chair, not at all. So far he's doing good. A little curious. Huh, honey? In the doctor's office. Checking out his bones. Oh, I know. Yeah? You gonna vlog one day? You gonna vlog one day? Thương So cute. You like it? Like it? Babies like mirrors. Cool. They're coming. We got some applesauce for them right here. I know, honeys. I know. Well, hello there. Hello. We got Rain, of course, always ahead of the game. And then we got Sky, trailblazing, right behind. Look at you. Look at you. Yeah, you. Oh. Okay, honey, calm down. Okay, boys, you ready? I love you. It's been a couple weeks since we found him halfway down the stairs, and he has a minor fracture. He's healing really well. We're gonna have to check up in 2 weeks to see if he's fully healed. Ha! Hi, Sky. Our first little figurine came in today. Oh, Krusty. Hi, honey. Look. I know. You guys like it? Look how cool this is, honey. What is it? Open. Whoa, what is it?
It's a train.
Yeah, it's a little train in a music box. No, you can't take it out. You can't take it out. You just twist on bottom. Leave it alone.
Stop.
No, you can't take it out.
Spin.
It's spinning like that, yeah. You like it?
spin the house.
Yeah, let it spin by itself. See? Whoa. No. Don't touch it, honey. Let it spin.
Backwards.
You want to go backwards on the train? Not this one, honey. The one downstairs. So cute. You like it?
Make it the train slow. It's going slow.
Yeah. Let me see. Uh-oh. End of the night, and Scooper's brushing his teeth, and this is how Brian is trying to train his kids. Rain, come over here. So it's a little bit late. I usually put them around 7, but I'm going with Brian's schedule today to see how he does things, and like it's literally almost 9 p.m. He's like, all right, whoever wants it more will get it first.
It looks like
Seems like Sky wants it. Does he see it though? Does he see the bottle?
Hey, well now you're just teasing him. I don't do that. Okay, so him first.
And then
Sleep
this
first.
guy. And then we put him down afterwards. Huh? Are you good?
Okay.
You good? Okay, he's still roaming. Alright, we'll see how this goes. What time they wake up tomorrow? Who knows? We'll figure it out. Okay. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! There you go, boy! There you go! There you go! Okay, see if you can stand. Oh, too scared? It's okay, honey. You get down. You get down. Me and Rain chilling like a villain. It's a little late for him, but we're going with hubby's schedule to see when they're actually tired and not mommy's schedule, which is 7 p.m. versus 9 p.m.
Press the button.
My husband wanted nachos.
I wanted it or you wanted it?
You wanted it. I pleased him, as usual.
Is this the nachos without actual nachos?
There's nachos right there.
Is nacho the cheese or is nacho including the chips?
Nacho cheese, no chips. But we have.
So then this is just cheese.
But if you want chips, I can get you chips too.
I don't want you to open the package.
It's fine.